How to fix Gboard typing wrong characters or letters. This tutorial walks through the fixes that clear this up in most cases. First, long press open Settings. Then scroll down to Apps and tap on it. Let all the apps load and find Gboard from the list. Following this, back out and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Cache to remove any temporary files that could be causing the glitch. At this stage, back out and tap Permissions. Following this, review the list and make sure nothing essential has been accidentally restricted. From here, back out and tap Battery. At this stage, set it to Unrestricted instead of Optimized or Restricted, since aggressive battery settings can interfere with how the keyboard responds in real time. Following this, back out and tap Force Stop. From here, tap OK to confirm. At this stage, open any text field and test typing to check if the issue is resolved. If it's still typing incorrectly after all of that, there's one more thing worth checking. Following this, go back into App Info and tap Storage. From here, tap Clear Data instead this time. Keep in mind, clearing data resets Gboard's custom dictionary and learned words, so anything personalized will be wiped, but confirm when prompted if you want to proceed. That's how you fix Gboard typing wrong characters or letters. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one.